Hello everyone, thank you for watching this video. In this video, I'm going to share with you how do you close that deal. So when you're in a sales conversation, have you ever come to a point where you do not know what to do next? Okay, you're coming to the end of your sales conversation and the final question is, do you want to buy or not? Okay, have you come to that point but you dare not? Well, you can't ask that questions. Well, because very simple, sometimes when you ask, do you want to buy or not? Do you want to purchase my product? No. Right? So how do you know that you are ready? What kind of buying signal can you pick up from your prospect to close that deal or ask them to think about it? Okay, so there are times in my sales conversation with prospects, with different prospects, there are times where I say, well, take a couple of days to think about it. Okay, there are also times when I say, would you like to do the paperwork? Would you like to register? Okay, so what are the buying signals that I'm looking for? I'm going to share with you one simple trick here that I used in my sales conversation. So is to test whether the buyer is ready for closing. Okay, and the trick is I will ask for schedule. I will ask if the buyer if the prospect is ready to go. I will ask if the prospect is ready to move forward with with our discussion. Okay, like example, when do you want to start this process? Right. So when they say, okay, next week, that's a buying signal. Right. So next week, okay. So would you like to do the registration now? Okay, done deal. Or when do you need to complete the project? Well, maybe 6 months time. Okay, 6 months time. You probably, okay, so in my industry, 6 months time, probably the latest the client can start is 3 months time. Okay, 3 months in advance. Okay, so working backwards, 3 months. So from now till 3 months later, they have this time to consider. So in this instance, there is no urgency. Sometimes I will tell them, go think about it, okay? And of course, sometimes some of them say, well, but I would like to start doing it, preparing it early. Great, then let's do the registration now. So this is the simple trick that I use to test the prospect, whether they are ready for closing. Okay, so watch out for the next video. Bye-bye.